Hello, my name is Soren. I'm the creator of the Expert Theme. This is the first video I recorded back in 2012, December 2012, I believe. And first of all, here you can see some pretty standard sales letters and how they look on mobile phones and stuff. So if we have this sales letter, first of all, let's go to the edit screen, and yeah, this video was pretty big, so we can actually set the width of the featured image or video here in the product adjustment panel. And if we wanted to insert a button below the video or image, we could just click this button, select the CTA button of our choice, and scroll down and click insert button. Then of course we'd insert our ClickBank link, a member sign up form, or whatever. PayPal, for example. Center it nice here below, and yeah, just update, and let's refresh the page and see how it looks. The video or image is shrinked and the button is below centered. Cool. Now we could also, I'm just going to change the width again to 10, because now we're going to actually make a sidebar layout. Giving it a right sidebar and in this sidebar all the testimonials is placed. You could choose any widget, but this is a testimonials widget actually, which will take all the testimonials which is linked towards this specific product, and they will show it in the sidebar. You could also embed it directly here and it in the sales letter, and it would be removed from the sidebar. So as you can see, it's not just a block quote, it's actually some individual posts itself. This adds to the site authority, and yeah, the site will have a lot more pages and content on it. So inside the appearance and widgets, you could set the maximum number of, you could set it to 2, for example. Before we had 3, and now we also activated the widget background, which wraps the testimonials widget inside a panel and gives it a background to make it stand out. As you can see, we only have 2 testimonials showed right now because we limited to 2. Yeah. So we could also embed some video. Just go to YouTube and click share and then take the embed code, insert it like I did, and now your featured video would be a YouTube embedded. Of course you could also, and actually this YouTube embedded video is responsive, so if you make it'll adapt whether bigger or smaller. You could also insert, if you have some self-hosted videos, you could also, it's from Amazon S3 or whatever, you could insert your link here. Yeah. As you can see, you can enable or disable a lot of elements, and at this time in version 1.0.40 you can do a lot more stuff actually, so you're not limited to just this. But now let's create the product gallery. Actually, it's another layout I think many of you haven't tried yet. But if you add a caption for your image and an image URL, let's just add one more. And if you then click update, and if you've chosen to show the featured image or video for that matter, yeah, this is how it look. You have these 3 thumbnails of images, and yes, let's just take a featured image now. It's just image placeholders, of course, so it doesn't look so cool, but I hope you get an idea of how it looks, how it could look. Yeah, and this is how it looks when you click on one of the thumbnails. image thumbs. So I believe this could be pretty useful for some of you. You can delete it, of course. You can delete your images if you wanted to. And yeah, as you can see here, you have a custom sidebar select box. You can select all your sidebars, create custom ones in the theme options, and you could choose whether or not to show you a secondary navigation, or yeah, you can do pretty much anything you'd like. At least today you can. See, now we've added this. This normally shows on the block, but you can also select it on individual products, or yeah, wherever you want it.